Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Brevo account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a contact in your Brevo account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove a contact from your Brevo anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business sending out emails, you know that sometimes people will write back with a really nasty message, so it's better just to go ahead and delete them from your list. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Brevo account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Brevo account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to remove a contact, you want to click on this contacts button here on the left. Okay, so once you do that, you'll see a long list of all of your contacts. You can see I just have these 4 right here. And in order to go ahead and remove a contact, there's actually a few different ways you can do it. If you're going to delete them one by one, you're just going to click on the name of the contact right here. All right, once you do that, you're going to see more information about that particular contact. However, in order to remove them, up here on the top right, you want to click on these 3 dots. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this one here called Delete Permanently. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up right here asking to confirm if you want to permanently delete that contact. If so, click Yes, Delete Permanently. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see I just have 3 contacts, so that contact was now permanently removed, so I will not be able to contact them through my Brevo account. Now, if you want to delete multiple contacts, all you're going to do is click on these little boxes next to their name. So we'll click on these 2. Once you do that, you're going to see these buttons right here. There's 3 of them, and you want to click on this one here called More Action. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you just want to click on Delete Permanently. Okay, next you get this pop-up asking you to confirm if you would like to delete these contacts in your Brevo. You need to type in the letter or whatever phrase is here. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in and click Delete. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see those 2 contacts were deleted. So I just have the 1 contact left inside my Brevo account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a contact in your Brevo account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.